we're playing the new update.
And Olive.
Yes. We finally. We're not in that group. Actually we are. We're playing the new. Okay, it's fine.
Okay,
I need coins anyway.
basically, guys, we're doing PIGGY right now, so yeah. Okay, also, I'm a rainbow, so yeah. You better be ready, Mr. P. I'm coming for you.
No, I'm
but
coming
actually,
for
don't
you.
kill me.
No, I need coins.
Okay, but kill that other girl. Let me just get all the keys first, and then you could kill me at the end.
Oh my god. I love her music.
Okay, yeah, so I just want to see. This one is so easy.
The one that can survive with the bar.
Okay, I found the purple. What the frick?
What is that?
Green. I know what green is.
I'm so happy her old music is back.
Okay, red key. Ah, you scared the heck out of me, dude. I need the plank. I think I know where the plank is. Yep. Don't. Bro, I thought the planks were over here. What do I do that? Thanks. Every day.
Who's gonna shoot me?
Not me. What's that one? Oh, that's yellow.
No, we're all going the same way.
I'm not trying to. Guys, I'm not going to do it. Oh, I got the yellow key, and that's it.
Oh, I guess
Oh, stupid shark.
no.
No, go away. Go away. Oh my god. I'm gonna pass it to you. Go away. Go to the dog. Where'd you go? I need to go in there. Oh, frick.
When you're the last one, I'm killing you.
No, only when I get to it.
You're gonna escape.
No, I'm not. Actually. What is this?
Wait, you're only escaping.
Oh, I thought that we didn't have the right key yet. Okay, I'll let you pick me next one. Hey guys, 1 second. Okay. I thought it's like Piggy.
Oh my gosh.